You don't have any other shoes? Hey guys, good afternoon. Hope y'all are doing well. This is Paula, DFW's favorite realtor. I got a great new community alert. I'm out here in the field today previewing new communities that are on the horizon here in Dallas-Fort Worth. And this is a great community that is coming that's going to offer affordable homes to buyers interested in the low 200s. And so I'm going to just bring you guys along for the journey. All right, here we go. Guys, but again, this is a great new community that is coming. Homes in this community are going to be ready summer 2021, and so the builder is developing the land. You can see they are getting the infrastructure ready, and it'll be just a few months here and they'll be ready to start selling lots. And so it's going to be a great opportunity for families that need a new construction home. They want an affordable home. This offers families that are living in perhaps working downtown Dallas. This is over in Mesquite ISD. So it's going to offer families right now I'm about it says 11 miles from downtown Dallas. So I'm about 11 miles from downtown Dallas. In the morning time, you may have a commute, gosh, maybe, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes or so. But again, it's going to be a great community. And it's going to be over in Seagoville. All right, Seagoville is a great area again. It offers plenty of activities to fit families' lifestyles. You know, it's a small town with the convenience of a big city. All right, again, this is going to be in Mesquite ISD, and they're going to have a multitude of floor plans. They got about 22 floor plans that they will be selling. You'll be able to get 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms. They're going to have single story. They're going to have upstairs. It looks like a lot of land now, but there'll be hundreds of homes here developed. And here's summer 2021, families will begin moving in. But again, they're going to start pre-selling here later this fall. I've showcased this community. I've been watching this one for a while. I have a couple of families that know that they want to live in this community. What is he doing? All right, so I'm going to show you some of what the developers are doing. How you doing? I'm just walking. I'm gonna show y'all some of the retaining walls they got down here. Again, guys, if you are looking for new construction, you know that new construction is my niche. It's what I focus on. So I pride myself being able to find communities for families. But even within that niche, I love to help first-time buyers. And so new construction starting in the low 200s is always a interest for first-time buyers. And so new construction, you know, it offers great warranties for families. They offer warranties. You get the most energy efficient products. When you invest in a new area, oftentimes you have master plan communities that make for a great place to invest. Right? And who doesn't like new things? Right? So the builder is getting after it. This is going to be a great community for families here soon. Right? You see all of those white poles they have? Those are all the lots. I don't know if y'all can see those white poles on the horizon. But those are all the places where those are going to be individual lots. And so they'll be getting the streets in here soon. And it won't be long before they'll begin pre-selling for families that want to move in next summer. All right, so if you're looking for a new construction home, I'd love to help. You can sign up on the link on my website. You can also give me a direct message, or you can give me a call or text. All right, but if you know that home ownership is a dream for you, you know your lease is ending, it's a great time to identify communities that may work for your family. So if you know your lease is ending, you can work with a great realtor like me. We can get you pre-qualified. If you have some obstacles that are blocking your way, we can work to see if we have some solutions for those. It's all about helping families meet their goals. But it's going to be a great community. It's going to be great, affordable homes for families. So if you got friends or family, they're looking to build, right? This is going to be a great community. It's in a rural area here, right? This was farmland for years. And so developers have bought the land and they're getting it ready, and the builder will start building homes here soon. Yep, it's going to be a really big community, Lily. A really big community. But again, guys, that's my niche. My niche is helping families identify new construction communities. So this is Paula, DFW's favorite realtor. If you are looking for a new construction home, you know your lease is ending, let's get together. Let's plan it out. Let's find you some great deals. The fiscal year is ending. The new fiscal year is beginning, and the builders are going to have some great incentives. The winter time is an awesome time to contract on your new home for the spring. So let's get together and get started. Y'all have a great one. Bye for now.